And then didn't use it like well.
Yeah, we don't really know exactly.
And then it probably hasn't leaked since I haven't used. I don't remember when I last used it. But
Yeah, it's been all night long. It's been.
Oh, it's been dripping
Oh,
all night long.
It could be pressurized then. It could be a copper pipe then. That's fine.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's
okay.
all right. And
That's actually easier to repair because it's a small thin pipe. If it was the gravity pipe, like the drain, the copper drain, I'd have to rip out more of the floor and fish in a vertical pipe and a horizontal pipe. If it's pressurized, it might be a bit easier. It could just be a simple cut and replace the copper pipe.
Yeah.
They're they're easier to deal with. The gravity pipe, it's 1.5 inches. I have to fish that line up upstairs and still reroute that potentially, so and make a big huge hole underneath the sink and so I can fish it through. But if it's that's just like you said, if it was dripping continuously, it might be pressurized.
So it's a
might be
steady
pressurized. Steady leak.
Oh,
It has
okay.
nothing to do with your sink.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Or you have to have somebody come in.
That's so funny. They're all squeezed out of bed up there. They like the restaurant all worn out and everything, so I guess it's better to take care of it now because to get the expense done and out of the way, my contribution is going to be my contribution. Tear it down, which, so I'm thinking of Crystal takes over because she's a new tear down, she doesn't have to do it.
There's our culprit. It's the cold. Yeah, it's the cold for the sink upstairs. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna break the news to them. Stuff, yeah, no problem, no problem. Alright, so she's gonna move all that stuff and then we're gonna do both of these valves here. So I'm gonna prep them. I'm gonna prep these with sandcloth and go from there. Let's turn this water off. Let's open up. Original. Oh, she's squirting. She's squirting. I'll open up the vacuum. Open up upstairs. Open up down here. Open up down here. Break that. Dirt. Effective Both are prepped now, so I'm going to go upstairs and cut. I'm going to cut the valves off upstairs and pull it all out. Okay, so we're pressed here. We're crimped on both sides, so I'm going to run up. I'm going to run up and put on the shut-off valves, and that'll be it. Now right on the middle of the ring. Hopefully all that air now goes outside. Fine. Okay. Well,
I think I can hear your voice if you're underneath there.
well, we're good now anyway.
Okay.
We're all set. Yeah, all my connections are fine. Right, so looks like we're out of here. No leaf coming on that. No leaves coming on any of those. Here, got my clip in. But not too much, not too tight. And on there. Sorry. boys. That'll be it until the next one.